Freelancing has become a highly popular and viable career choice in various fields. This mode of work offers many advantages. Freelancers can offer their services to clients around the world. This global market expands opportunities beyond local or regional boundaries, which allows freelancers to work with diverse clients and projects. The best fields for freelancers can vary depending on current market demands, individual skill sets, interests, and how well they can adapt to changing trends. However, some fields consistently offer strong opportunities for freelancers due to their high demand, flexibility, and potential for remote work. In today's video, I will share 10 of the most lucrative skills for freelancers in 2024. I will also offer some insights into the opportunities and challenges to help you decide if freelancing is right for you. So don't go anywhere. I am very excited for this video, so let's begin. Number 1, technology and IT services. The tech industry's rapid growth and the global need for digital transformation make these skills highly wanted. These include web and mobile app development, software engineering, systems integration, cybersecurity, and IT consulting. Number 2, creative services. Graphic design, video production, animation, and illustration cater to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Creative professionals can find freelance work in advertising, marketing, media, and entertainment. Number 3, writing and content creation. This includes copywriting, content writing, technical writing, and ghostwriting. With the continuous need for fresh content online, skilled writers can find opportunities in blogging, marketing, search engine optimization, and social media content creation. Number 4, digital marketing. This includes search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Companies continue to work with freelancers who can help them improve their online visibility and engagement, which makes your digital marketing skills even more valuable. Number 5, consulting and coaching. Experts in business, finance, health, wellness, and personal development can offer consulting services. This field allows professionals to leverage their knowledge and experience to guide others while making money. It's a win-win for everyone. Number 6, translation services. Fluent speakers of 2 or more languages can find freelance work translating documents, websites, software, and more, helping businesses reach a global audience. Number 7, legal and financial services. Freelancers with expertise in law, accounting, bookkeeping, and financial planning can offer their services to businesses and individuals needing assistance in these areas. This is a very popular field because of regulatory requirements. Number 8, education and training. Online tutors, course creators, and educational consultants can benefit from the growing demand for online learning resources across a wide range of subjects and skills. If you excel in any particular subject, this is your opportunity to turn your expertise into a lucrative business. Number 9, healthcare and wellness. Professionals in mental health, fitness, and nutrition can offer their services remotely. This business caters to a growing interest in personal well-being. Number 10, project management and administrative support. Virtual assistants, project managers, and administrative consultants can help businesses manage their operations more efficiently. And the good part is you can manage these projects from the comfort of your own home. Essential tools. The primary tools for freelancing are reliable computers and stable internet connections. Depending on the field, other tools might include specialized software like Adobe Creative Suite for designers, accounting software, or digital marketing tools. Flexibility and independence. Freelancers have the flexibility to set their own schedules and choose their clients and projects. This independence can lead to better work-life balance, but also requires self-discipline and time management skills. Income potential and stability. Freelancing can potentially offer higher income than traditional employment, as freelancers can set their own rates. However, income can be variable and less stable, with freelancers needing to continually seek out new clients and projects. Networking and marketing. Successful freelancers often invest time in networking and marketing to maintain a steady stream of work. This includes creating a strong online presence, leveraging social media, and using freelance platforms. Continuous learning. To stay competitive, freelancers must continually update their skills and knowledge, especially in rapidly evolving fields like technology and digital marketing. Legal and administrative responsibilities. Freelancers are responsible for their own contracts, taxes, and legal requirements, which can be more complex than being an employee. Challenges and solutions. Freelancers may face challenges such as isolation, inconsistent workload, and payment issues. Solutions include joining freelancer communities, using contract agreements, and managing finances effectively. Overall, freelancing offers great opportunities and flexibility, but also requires a blend of professional skills, self-discipline, and business acumen. It's an evolving landscape that allows individuals to tailor their careers to their specific skills and lifestyle preferences. When choosing a field, freelancers should consider their passion, skill sets, and the potential for continuous learning and growth. It's also essential to stay updated on industry trends and demands to remain competitive and successful in the marketplace. Let me know in the comments what field you would choose if you were to become a freelancer in 2024. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.